Tired of financial chaos and ready to get your business finances organized from the ground up? Let's dive into creating a company in Peachtree and making journal entries. First, open Peachtree, click Create a New Company. This launches the New Company Setup Wizard. You'll be prompted to choose how to set up your company. Select Start a New Company using Setup Wizard, then click Next. Enter your company name, address, and other identifying details. This information will appear on reports and invoices, so accuracy is key. Click Next. On the Chart of Accounts setup screen, select the Use Predefined Chart of Accounts option. If you want a head start with common accounts, choose the industry that best fits your business, or you can even build your own. Peachtree supplies options based on your business type. If you pick the Build Your Own option, you're going to add each individual account yourself. Let's select a predefined one. Click Next. Now, set your accounting period. Decide if you're using a calendar year or a fiscal year and enter the starting date. Ensure this aligns with your initial business activities. Click Next. To post a journal entry, go to Tasks, then General Journal Entry. Input the date, account numbers along with descriptions, debits, and credits for each transaction. Remember, debits and credits must always balance. Then save, and there you have it. Stay tuned for more Peachtree tips and tricks.